Good morning! Thanks for watching this video, and that in the first place. My name is Arjen, and my good friend Peter, the man behind the cameras. We're both living in Salou, and we're going to show you around Salou today. We start here, we're on the outskirts of Salou, and we're going to take you on this drive. Let's go in, follow me.
My friends know the low rider. The low rider is a little higher. The low rider drives a little slower. The low rider is a real goer.
So for a lot of people that have been to Salou, this will be a familiar sight. Basically every corner that you enter Salou, you will see these big letters knowing that you're in Salou, capital of the Fiesta. And we're standing still. Well, that brings me to my first point, cars. Cars in Salou, not a very good combination. So if you come here, take a plane, take a bus, take a transfer from the airport, and don't come by car because you will not be able to park your car anywhere in Salou. And the village itself is, well, small enough to do everything by foot or maybe by bike, if you're Dutch, for instance. If you take a look at the left, you scroll to the left. On the left you can already see the main attraction of Ferrari Land. Ferrari Land is situated near Portaventura, and well, two very big attractions here in Salou. So for the daredevils, there's a roller coaster for you.
My friends know the low rider. The low rider is a little higher. The low rider drives a little slower. The low rider is a real goer.
We entered Salou from one side, and I will take you from the west side, and we're now going to drive to the northern border of Salou, where it borders Villa Fortuny. And I'm going to take you straight to the beach. Actually, this road is worse than I had in my recollection. It's just testing the stabilizers of the cameras. Or we could say this is one of the better roads.
All my friends know the low rider.
Carlos.
The low rider is a little higher. The low rider drives a little slower. Low rider is a real goer.
We're driving by Camping Sangouli, which is one of the bigger campsites within Salou. And there, right in front of us, La Méditerranée. The blue waters. If you go to the right here, you will exit Salou and you will be getting in Villa Fortuny. So we will be going left because this basically is where Salou starts from the east side. But we're going to make a small detour because there's one thing I want to show you that you should not miss when you're in Salou, and that's one of the best restaurants in town. Because of all the one-way direction streets, we have to make a small detour. Sorry about that, but it gives you a nice insight in barrios or neighborhoods. Today is not only to show you around, of course that's the primary mission, but also to give you some nice advices, tips and tricks. So if you are thinking about coming to Salou, make a wish list. One restaurant you should really put high on that list is the restaurant called Hollandaluz, situated on the right here. Great food, great hospitality. But please make your reservation because it's always busy. here we are
My
alongside the beach.
know the low rider. The low rider is a little higher.
We're halfway April now and it's already great weather. A lot of people on the beach at the moment. Look at that gorgeous blue water.
High heels got my freakum dress on. Pour it up while they playing my song. Penthouse energy up to the morning. Everybody want a piece, but the line too long. Yeah, it's all live. Foreign pulling up to the front, tongue tied. Wannabes wanna be us, no lie. 4K getting angles, grip my waist with the bass going bang, bang, bang. Taking me slow, no chaser. So don't be shy. Just another chill mix bummer. Heat up the summer. Boom, boom, make it real loud, loud. Boom, boom, never turns down like ooh, ooh. This ain't just another chill mix bummer. Heat up the summer.
It's a party soon as I walk in the building. Nights like this, they come 1 in a million. Popping champagne, it's all on the ceiling. You know the feeling, yeah. Chauffeurs, what I prefer. You know the game, ice cold with the coat fur. All night like we never getting older. Money in the holster, shots in the coaster. Yeah, we got money in a holster. And it's finna go up like
boom, boom, make it real loud, loud. Boom, boom, never turn down like ooh, ooh. This ain't just another chill mix bummer. Heat up the summer. Boom, boom, make it real loud, loud. Boom, boom, never turn down like ooh, ooh. This ain't just another chill mix bummer. Heat up the summer.
We're coming at a crossroad. If we turn left here, we would come to the Calle de Barcelona, which basically means Barcelona Street. One of the bigger streets, one of the main streets of Salou. But we will follow the shoreline. Here on the right is the House of Illusion. You can have great food. You can sit on the deck terrace. And you can also go to there are many shows on music and magic. On our right hand is the famous Salou Promenade. We will get back to that in another video. So please follow our channel. Look at this. The trains that are going through Salou. That would also make a nice video, wouldn't it, Peter?
Wouldn't it?
Well, as said, on the right side is the promenade, on the left side terraces, little shops, fun and games everywhere.
So bang your drum, run as fast as you can. We'll make a man of you, son. And I want to feel it in me. I want to feel it in me. I want to feel it in me.
We cannot enter this street